Right, we've pumped the fronts up. My son's leg is probably twice the size as it was an hour ago. Really do need a pressure system on it. Really, we're getting the fluid through. We've got a brake pedal on the front, but I will dig out my pressure system tomorrow from somewhere, wherever it is. I told you what the issue was on the front with the caliper being upside down, wrong side of the car. Oh, we're onto the rears now, and guess what? Let's have a look. Oh, excuse the bad camera. Yeah, we've got some upside down nipples again. This one looks to be lactating as well. Yeah, we've got a lactating nipple. Easy fix. You can see where the cable crosses over, so I don't think I'm going to have to drop the cables off. Maybe if the cables have got to come off at the end of the world, you know what I mean, it's just a clips on, but might have to reroute a few things under here. I don't like how that is swinging so far down and up. I don't know, we'll have a look. We might have to reroute a few things on the back end of this car, change a few things, but again, calipers wrong side. Yeah, we'll get there.